PSVR2.
Yeah.
Different note here.
This is just a trailer that just got released. Showing off the capabilities and features of the PSVR, the new one. So that's kind of like how it looks like, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, the controllers. Much more like, what is it? Who has those controllers like that? HTC?
Valve Index?
Or Valve? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Those sphere-like cool controllers. Mm-hmm. Is this headset going to be heavy, though? What do you think?
I don't think so.
Ooh, 4K HDR display? Okay.
Because I imagine a lot of kids will be wearing it.
Vibrant worlds to life. Eye tracking. Lovely. Detects and follows your vision.
Yeah, this is cool.
Okay. We'll take that. How do you say that word? Go back? Right there on the left. How do you say that word?
Foveated?
Foveated rendering? But isn't it for field of view? So wouldn't you say FOVated? Because you would say FOV, right? I don't know.
Yeah. I thought there would be like
that's cool.
Periods,
so it's rendering the part that you're looking at for performance. What does it matter? The other
it kind of blurs out the kind of like a peripheral version.
Kind of like your real life.
Yeah.
Your real eyes. 110-degree field of view.
Yeah.
What do you think about like PlayStation-based VR? Why is it that it seems the adoption is not major? Maybe I'm wrong about that. Is it our vision of like what a game console is, and then that somehow VR is something different? Because I know a lot of people with PlayStations, and I rarely see this accessory, like the previous version.
Yeah. Well, I think support, like game companies should make more games, but it's also like a money thing. It was expensive.
Well, how much was it?
I believe it was $300-$400.
All right. So almost as much as the console itself.
Yeah.
But still not to the extent of those premium headsets.
No.
So when does this one come out? Or they didn't say yet?
They didn't say.
Oh, okay. Well, it seems if they're promoting it at this moment that maybe it's not too far off. Oh, price reveal, please. I'm guessing it's going to be $500 plus, knowing Sony.
That's really expensive.
Yeah, well, so that might be a key factor there. And you're still tethered to the console.
And you can only play PlayStation games.
Right.
Right, so.
Interesting.
I mean, good luck with it. I'm excited.
Did you ever play that No Man's Sky game? They were just showing.
I have, yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Is that okay?
It's gotten a lot better than like the first reveal.
Oh, this
is like a completely different game.
So this is pulling on the other element with the controllers where you have the tension, the amount of tension. Like they're using a bow and arrow. They always use a bow and arrow as an example for tension, the feeling of tension. Mm-hmm. So they have that strong haptics. Those strong haptics. Whatever. I'll give it a crack.
Yeah. You should try it out.
Pretty cool.